Okay, folks, Larry Pesavento for TFNN. Now, we've made new highs in the Dow Jones. The Dow Jones did not make a new high. We've made a new high in the S&P 500. As you can see, this is the NASDAQ. It has not made a new high as of yet, but it's not very far away. We're having tremendous volatility today, folks. I would like to bring this to a smaller time frame just to show you what's going on. Way we look at things, and you can see here we are setting right now at the old 382 as we speak, right here in the NASDAQ right now. We hit it before, backed off, we're back up here again. We're seeing the same thing in the Dow, the Dow Jones is doing the same thing, and also the S&P is doing the same thing. I'll bring the S&P up, and you'll see it right here doing exactly the same thing. There's the 382 on the S&P. The close today is what's so very important, folks. We lost 100 handles here in just a matter of a few minutes. That usually is that's a tremendous amount of selling, but that can dry up and become buying. But anyway, this is what we're watching here on this one. It's doing pretty much exactly the same thing that the NASDAQ is doing. And if we look at the see, we did the Dow Jones. Let me get the Dow Jones one. It's doing the same thing. The Dow Jones, oh, we got to do that. Bear with me, folks, here. Okay, there's your 382 here in the Dow. We hit that just a little while ago. You'll see here we've had a tremendous amount of volatility here. You see we hit it twice, and that's where we are right now. Folks, stop and think now. Goldman Sachs is down like $35, and that's a lot of this because Goldman Sachs is 700 and some bucks. So that's one or two stocks that make you want to see that. So the close is what's so super important from my perspective as we see these things here unfolding here today. We got a lot of things to talk about in the metals market because we've made new highs in gold, and we got crude oil breaking down. So several things that are coming to our attention here that we'll need to be focused on for next week. That's for absolute certainty, in my opinion. If there is such a thing as absolute certainty, who knows? Anyway, let's take a quick look here when we come back from our break, and we'll look at some other chalk. So stay with us, folks.